calm down. This is not difficult. It's a combustion reaction because that's an organic compound there, an alcohol, specifically ethanol, reacting with O2. So that's a combustion. Besides, we're having CO2 and H2O. Definitely combustion, right? So how do we balance combustion reactions like this? First, we balance the carbon, then the hydrogen, then the oxygen, okay? So how many carbons do we have on the left-hand side, which is the reactant side? 2. So we're going to have to put a 2 here, okay? Now, how many hydrogens do we have on the reactant side? This is 5. This is 1. So making 6, right? I would have to put a 3 here so that the hydrogen on the right-hand side may also be 6. Is this making sense to you so far? All right, so then the last thing to do is to balance the oxygen. So again, let's check what we have on the left-hand side. We have 1 here. We have 2 here. And here we have 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 1, 3. So that means we have about 7 on this side and 3 on this side. Okay. And then we have to be a little careful here because this is actually 1 and 2. Okay. I will place a number here now. I want to get 7 at the end of the day, but there is already a 1 here. So it means that I want to get 6 from this side to add up to that 1 here in order to make 7. Okay. So I think 3 would be a very good number to put here because that will make me get a 6 here that I can add to this 1 here to make 7 in total. Does this make sense? You can also replay this video again so that in case if you didn't get it the first time, okay? So that's how you solve this question. This one is quite easy to do. Just remember, you balance carbon, then the hydrogen, and finally the oxygen. So that's it. Take care.